Hope you guys subscribe and comment below. Today we're going to be talking about the storm that's going to rage up north and cause a lot of damage. First of all, y'all can see here is there's lots of heavy snow. And so you guys see this blizzard atmosphere coming here. And you can see at the beginning how the storm is lined up and how it just changes to this stage. The next stage comes even worse from here. And the next stage it just continues. Right here, you can see the heavy snow just wrapping around the whole system. And in places in New York City where it hasn't got much, so it's going to get a lot. And it will continue. And this is definitely going to be a blizzard. Earlier we thought there's going to be a blizzard north. It's going to be still a storm. Nothing like this. Nothing like this. This is really concerning. And it won't stop. It'll just continue to rage. And probably it'll go off. But it will really hammer down this area. And the biggest issue with this is how it's kind of shaped. The rain is now like mostly off, just on the coast, and all the snow is on the inland, and it just continues to cover more ground than snow really does. And as we'll continue, I think there's definitely concern for blizzard. Warnings definitely could be issued here because this is not a good system at all. And then watch out. Texas is about to get some snow. It's going pretty deep here home. So far, not much. Yeah, there. That's about how far it's over here. So that's still pretty far. So watch out for that cold air on March 11th. Like, huh? Snow? March 11th? Down there? Yes. And so that's going to be definitely some big issues because they're not used to dealing with this at this point in time. So that's going to cause some issues for down there in Texas. Now, what we're also looking at is here, California. So there's going to be heavy snow right here. So first it starts up here, okay? We go here, there's still heavy snow. Heavy snow just continues to be in the same spot. And it doesn't leave the area. So right there, that could be a blitz strike. It doesn't look that bad. But because of the mountains and how the altitude is shaped, there will be constant snow there. So that is an issue. And so you need to always watch out for that. Now, talk about the other system. You can see right here. Now, definitely cause lots of snow. It won't be as bad as the other one, but that's the one we're originally concerned about. And yes, it will cause snow up north. So that one is definitely one of those to watch out. You can see that kind of will begin this here. Now, what we're watching out is severe weather right here. Talk about blizzards. See severe weather? Yes, I did. Right here. See as it just keeps going. Changing it, literally comes in. The valve goes down. Wow. But what we're looking is right here. That is definitely a stretch where, it can really curve. And so that will be visited for severe storms. And so I would definitely still watch out on this storm. So still bring snow up there. Though it won't be the same we originally forecasted. You never know, with these systems. And another thing that's interesting about this system right here, it really does connect, but what? There's a low pressure system disappears. See it going down here. And it just would cause this storm. So I would really watch out. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you subscribe.